Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, welcome to 21 and final day of your Life Restart program. Now, today is Guru Purnima, so I want to really thanks to the each and every Guru, each and every person, each and every teacher who brings a change, a transformation, a new learning in my life. So today is, even it's the last day of the life restart. So if you have taken some action, you definitely have got some different type of result. So let's jump start to that one. So we completed 60 action till now. We are moving to the next 61 and the most important action. So this is beautiful things, somebody sent me the small clip of the Gita. And when I was just thinking about this one, I had a different point to discuss, but I just replaced this one with this. So Arjuna asked Krishna, why has life become complicated now? And this is not the question now, it is question 5,000 years back asked by the Arjuna to Krishna. So that definitely this is one something to learn. There is never be a ideal or there will be no like a golden period of, in this last so many years or something like that. So when this ask, Krishna told very simple things. What he told, see, what we do, just enjoy the life or just live the life. Don't make it very complicated. We are making the life complicated. Life itself is not complicated. And if you see it down, answers coming from the persons whose life was always a challenge. He born into the jail. He, every day his mama has to send somebody to kill him, a ghost or some type of demons has to be sent, and so many challenges. Immediately after the birth, he has to go from the like a water, and so much things. And if you see the beautiful thing about him, it was a smile, and that smile was there throughout the whole of his life. See, this is something very important, and there is a beautiful things about this. Why our life will get complicated? Our life is get complicated because if you remember the first day principle, because we actually live by a solicited norms, means like a norms created by the society. And what is this society exactly? Is nothing but the people around us. See, this is a beautiful part. So people are illogical or unreasonable and self-centered, and this is very common exactly, but still we love them, that's what is the life, he has to be comfortable with Duryodhana also and Arjuna also and the Yudhishthira also. And this was the beauty about the Krishna. So this is a beautiful lesson exactly. Nowadays these particular management lessons are incorporated into the Indian Institute of Management also, so it's beautiful. If you do good, people will accuse of your selfish ulterior motives. Do good anyway. Yeah. What you do best. How many of you really think exactly, end of the 21 days, we'll try to sell you something. How many of you say, think about that one? So become a new norm. But I'm not interested in all these things. So, do good anyway. So that not should not stop. That should not stop. If you're something very good, take a next step, definitely. If you are successful, you will win of false friends and the true enemies. Success anyway, because that's what is the choice. The good do today will be forgotten tomorrow. This is a very, very important lesson. How much good you do for anybody, it is forgotten tomorrow. But still do good anyway. Fine, that's what is there. Honesty and a frankness makes you vulnerable. Be honest and frank anyway. This is a very, very important point I seen in my life. You should have that one. Forget about the people, not required. If you think about them, then you cannot live the life. So don't make it complicated. Just live the life the way you want. You are the creator of your life. Now I'm just I'm also undergoing what this life book program, and there is this one. I was very much attached to the wheel of life. There was 8 areas of life, major areas. Yeah, still these 12 areas is nothing but some part of them subset. But what I like it down, they are very clearly distinguished. So now health and fitness is the one of the first area we work on, that one we discuss about that. But these are the 12 areas. Please take today these all 12 areas, think about them, and if you want, set a clear cut goal and vision about this each and every area which will be transform your life. I'll tell you, even single area is missing, it's going to be unbalance your life. So health, fitness, intellectual, emotional, that's what is intellectual and emotionals are different. Initially, I put everything into the wheel of life one, but when after going this program, I see this is more gives the like a clarity, like a character, spiritual. Spirituality was there exactly, and love relationship. Yes, a lot of time we miss this one. We see the people, like outside, or we try to do so many things in our life, but we forget about the most important person in our life. Parenting, yes, one of the important areas. Social life, definitely. If you don't have social contribution, you will be never be happy. Career, finance, quality of life, and life vision. So I request you take this one, these 12 pictures. You can work on that one. We can have the whole, at least, like a 10, 12 hours of workshop just only on this part. So please work on it. And then last and the final message of this program to all of you is a journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. Journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. And this is my final message to you. I told you so many times this one, but you have to take a action. Even I told you about the story of the Gautam Buddha and that follower person who talk about the people who got enlightenment and the people who not even change, just attending the satsang. So this will be the difference between all these two people. Now I'm going to, stop this live restart program today here. But as a bonus to all of you, officially we are closing this program. But today I'm giving you a session on the questions and answer. For next 10 to 15 minutes, I want to address some questions and answers, maybe like a burning questions or answer. This is like a bonus point from for all of you. So before we start that question answer session, I want to thanks the God. I want to thanks my all the guru once more because they all change. Yeah, even it is a little bit. So Gurudev Datta was there. Gurudev Datta has a 84 lakhs teachers exactly because it's to tell each and every creature on this universe is a teacher. So the I have list of my this one called as the wall of gratitude. In that wall of gratitude, I have around 300 plus people now, like who actually transform my life. So I want to thanks them all again. So Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Se Guru Nama. So definitely each and every one of them makes your life a very different. And then definitely we pray for the each and everybody's well-being. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kashid dukha bhag bhavet. Let everybody be happy. Let everybody be healthy. Let nobody be suffer from any type of sorrow or anything exactly. Sabka mangalo, sabka bhalao, sabka kalyano. So thank you very much. So officially we are concluding the program here for this one. There is a clear cut 63 actions are there. If you want, go back and decide. Take any random action. I'll tell you not go with the sequence. It's nowhere related with the sequence. Even you take all the 63 and take one every day or take any days like something and start working on that one. So thank you very much guys. So officially we concluded the program here. But now I will take a questions based on the first come first serve. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, then we are good to close and have a fantastic Guru Purnima day today. And then we'll definitely, keep on the journey. I didn't ask you, and I don't want to ask you also to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I done this program without any expectation. It's your choice. It is absolutely your choice. If you want, you can go and or not. What made you start this program? Please share. Very good money. This is a question. I'll tell you honestly, exactly. Like I was confused a little bit when I went to my diary. It was in the March. I want to do a some type of positive contribution without even expecting or without doing my marketing or a sale or anything at all exactly. And when I was it was exactly as I remember, it was in 23rd of March. So I released one of the video in the on the this coronavirus on at the starting end of the February, and March onward this problem started severe. And I seen in the March 15th onwards, I seen there is a lot of negativity came, and lot of people was talking about the recession coming. This virus will be killed so many people. Is going to be epidemic and everything will be collapse and all. And this, then I decided no, let me give some positive message to the people, whoever is there exactly. I told you, correct? We started with 350 people. Today we have 35 on this Sunday, but still these are the 35 people who are action oriented. Then I was thinking, what should I contribute? What should I contribute? Keep on working on that contribution. And I got, if, like telling honestly, like that day, one day I was facing problem with my laptop. Nothing was working. So control alt delete, nothing was working, everything. Then I find out, remove the battery, completely do the hard reboot, start the restart, completely start the restart. And this restart, everything is come up. Then I decided, okay, if lot of things goes wrong sometime, nothing is working, we can completely, you know, like we can completely stop the, what you can call exactly. See, I have some call now. So we can completely stop the whole things. But then if you can restart the life, you can reboot the life. And this is works because I'm in a database administration, like in a technical part. So here this idea got key. A lot of time where nothing is working, the restart button works. If anybody is from IT industry, they can connect me. When nothing is working, the restart and the reboot work exactly beautifully. What major changes comes in your life that can bring a difference to us all? See, one thing I'll tell you, this journey of mine was started last so many years. Actually, I was a yoga trainer and I am doing this work and everything. This was a part of my life, but telling honestly, it was in the August 23rd. I met a person, his name is Opresh Acharya. He was actually a guru or the teacher of the persons where I done my course, this train the trainer program, IITD train the trainer program. He was this one. I heard about him a lot, about his dedications and everything and all part, but I never met him. So I met him first time and I asked him one question because I told him, like, I felt to ask him. I asked him, what is the only one quality that each trainer or the transformational speaker or the motivational speaker or whatever inspirational speaker and everybody has. I didn't have clarity. I'll tell you, this is just last 1 year. In that moment when I asked him this question, and he actually told about one story. I know this story from last 25 years, like the persons who standing into the, like whose house is into the four streets, and then some people are coming and over try to kill him, and that person is run away from the one side. Then these people come and ask him where this person went. Now this is the questions actually even used in the IT industry also for the, like your psychological test. So in that particular moment, like this questions was related with the Krishna and even the cow also. So what answer you'll do? So I know one answer key. You have to tell them wrong so that person will be saved. But when I ask the same questions to him, and I seen into the hall when he asked this question, 98% people actually given that answer. We have to save that person or that cow so we can tell the lie. But then this person comes up and tell no, truth comes with the cost. Truth come with the cost. Are you ready to give that cost or not? Truth come with the cost. And that was the day my life changed. That was the day I understand what is mean by yama niyama. And that was the day my whole journey is completely unfold to me. And that was the journey I decided I'll be 100% authentic. What may come in my life, whatever challenge is going to become, I will not go to the mode of lie, inauthenticity, or cheating and all this mode. It is very simple, like if I go to the office late and if manager asks, I can say very easily ki there was a traffic jam. See, the traffic jam in Bangalore happens every day, but did you do the calculation or not? But we are used to it. We are very normally tell, oh, there was a traffic problem. So that was the turning point in my life to find out ikigai. What part of gut feeling? I'll tell you, finding ikigai is, it's like learning a swimming. You cannot find out your ikigai till you not start living your ikigai. I told you, like if you ask that question, so I'll tell you that one. When I was designing initially, this ikigai program comes to me because I went through a very deep these things, and I had never had clarity what exactly I want. And it was exactly last 1 year which unfold me these things, what exactly I want, what I really enjoy to do the things, and what actually makes us not to leave our ikigai but other commitment, other things. And I keep on working on them. So now initially it was only Ikigai one Ikigai program exactly. Even that Ikigai program exactly, telling honestly, not everybody, people has to talk about its passion program. Telling honestly, I am the one of the pioneer person definitely into the who really created a systematic Ikigai program. Not to praise myself, but this systematic Ikigai program, which was got very good result. Then actually, I work on Ikigai 2.0 and again work on the coaching system and everything. And I started living the Ikigai and I started testing it. So first thing is that one, you will not get your Ikigai and it takes a long time. It's take a long time and still you don't start living the Ikigai, you will not know it is your Ikigai. So I told you, see, even my Ikigai 1.0 program is don't give you the guarantee that you will find out your Ikigai. It is just the trigger point. It's just the trigger point. Only trigger point. So where you start triggering, yeah, maybe this is what I am really good at. This is what I am really love. This is what actually society needs, and this is what's really people ready to pay. So these are the four things actually which gives answer to the Ikigai. But is it final? No. Is it final? No. And again, game of the attachment and detachment come. See, I'll tell you, give you example. In my coaching system, like a people behave very differently. Everybody is very different person. So now, like a 2 weeks back, I find out lot of another things and the action taking is missing and everything. I shouted on them because I like that one to push very hard because there was a one pain in my life. You cannot believe, even coming from the like a middle class family and with all the struggle, attending the transformational program or attending the new yoga program or certificate program and everything was not an easy job. Everything was costing, everything is required money, and I never had that luxury ki, oh, whatever I want to do I can do with the money. At least still I really like I start earning a very good amount of money. But again, like when if somebody asks you the course of 1 lakh rupees or something, you cannot comfortable. So I attended so many programs. I have the list of more than 200-300 programs which are attended till now date. Like a yoga program or the spiritual program or the transformational program or the seminar or the certification or what. But what I find out, like that's not a single program, even paying after lakhs of rupees, not really bring a transformation. Not really bring a transformation. It's don't bring a transformation. And one missing link exactly is the action. Now it is not that when the program is wrong. I was reviewing the program which I done 20-25 years back. And when I seen, like content is still awesome, content is so good. Dunia Gayi Bhad Mein was told me 25 years back, but I never understand, and I still live the life with the whole what people will think. Always looking good and not looking bad, and that's what's the questions for the Ikigai. So that when I find out my Ikigai, and this all things happen one after another. Lot of things are happen one after another. I find out my own inauthenticity. I was living the life. Actually, I was not cheated anybody indirectly, but I was living the life to always to show I am looking good and not looking bad. But now this when these people are started behaving the way they wanted, I took a break and I was ready to completely stop the program also. This is what is create your ikigai authenticity. Now see, that is my ikigai. But can you detach to that moment and can you really find out and add the value to it or not? That is what creates a big miracle in your life. So I'm telling you, I'm still going into the churning process. Still my job is there, but actually mentally you're telling that one, I'm already detached with that one also. So the life is very different. That's what I tell you. You live every moment. Don't do think so much. If it is still happening and going fine, it's fine. So Ikigai is a very big concept. That's why in my whenever I'm launching the next program, I'm going to like talk the people that one see. I'm not guaranteeing anybody that you will find out your Ikigai one day. Why? Because around 90 days, I work day and night on my coaching system, and I find out people are not action takers. People cannot get their Ikigai. People even finding Ikigai is a first step. Then you have to test your Ikigai, my dear friend. Just finding Ikigai is not enough. You have to test your Ikigai. You have to go to the next level. You have to create a prototype. You have to create a model. You have to find out the micro niche. You have to completely create the business model for that Ikigai. And then you have to implement it also to see it is really good or not. Somebody tell, I really, like inspired to transform the kids. My dear friend, I work in a yoga for field for the kids. I'll tell you the most difficult people to work is the kids. So it is simple to tell initially, but you have to go and find what you found finally and how. See, I find out my life in this moment. It's a absolutely 360 degree transformation. whole life is completely changed. My value system is become strong, and I don't bother about anybody at all now. I live each and every moment, and that is what I'm telling to you. Yes, Ikigai changes with the time, Milind. Yes, definitely. You asked that question, and Ikigai changes also exactly because you really don't know. See, when I was doing yoga from like 30 years now, I was a yoga teacher long back. It is 25 years plus, and I was thinking yoga teaching is my Ikigai or the spirituality is my Ikigai. But I went on, keep on changing. See, what was I was liking is that when I was like by God gifted born teacher, and I used to like teach the people. So exactly, it was not nothing to do with the yoga or technical steps or non-technical steps. It is what bringing that transformation, talking with the people, creating the positive atmospheres. This was what my ikigai. So ikigai changes, but when the ikigai is clear, the life is celebration. Now I'll tell you my own example. What somebody asked me, correct? It was a limiting mindset. I'll tell you. Still, last 8 to 10 months back. I used to feel, okay, what is there? How much is your requirement? If you get 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs per month, it is more than enough. And the life is going so peaceful, so happy. Why to launch so many program? Why to work with so many people and everything? This was completely blocking my energy. And then actually I find out why my yoga company also not grown. Why my other aspects are not grown. I compare myself with a lot of teachers. I don't want to praise myself, but I'll tell you the amount of, see, I have 3, 4 post graduation degrees, and the amount of courses and everything I done means like a qualification wise, I cannot even like a lot of people cannot even compare who are in the industry standard into the different field now. But then I find out what was blocking. Then I find out it is on my mindset. It is all something to do with my childhood, everything. And when I started my vision, my ikigai changes. And today I have the big vision. Today I can talk about the millions and billions very easily. I don't bother it comes to me or not, but at least I'm comfortable and I'm open to it. Now my target for next 5 years to get 1,000 leaders. Like I was thinking about this Swami Vivekananda statement. Give me 100 people with the, like a nerve of the iron, and I will transform the whole nation and the world. And actually that is what the vision, and that is what my ikigai is today, to actually bring that in 1000 people exactly who are ready to give their 100%, take a action, and they're ready to transform these people. So that's what is become the mission now. See, now if I'm targeting this 1000 people, and if they transform 10,000 people lives, it's become 1 crore people. And that is my mission for five years. And that's what the ikigai changes. Ikigai gives you the power. Ikigai change your life. Ikigai transform everything. Just reading the book will not give anything. There is a 10 steps given into that book. Actually, it's a beautiful book given by the Gracia, and it's a beautiful 10 steps are given. It's a mind book, but I tell you only that 4 quadrants are not enough. You have to live, you have to start living that particular part. And people ask me, somebody asked me what it transformed. It is giving me happiness, joy, peace, clarity, confidence. And I am you're so comfortable to talk. Like initially, if somebody is a big person, there will be always like this way. If some CEO, MBD, some politician. Now today, even the Modi comes or the Trump comes, I am very much comfortable with him to talk. So this is what changed the ikigai purpose. Because see, when you get low confidence, when actually you are trying to sell something, or you are trying to give something which is not valuable, or when you're trying to cheat the people, that time definitely you have to play around. But when you are clear and 100% authentic, you don't want anything from anybody. Your life is like a celebration and the peace. So thanks guys. So that's what will be create the problem, these things. So this is not a ikigai course exactly, but I given you the idea, but I given you the next steps. And I know a lot of people will not even understand what I'm talking. Honestly telling you, this is my study. So that's what I'm telling you. So please don't bother about the people, what they thinks about you. Please don't bother about the people, because you know what is your journey and where you are going. So leave them on their own. And you cannot transform everybody. At the end, I find out. And that's why the Swami Vivekananda was got fail. Ramakrishna Paramahansa get, Narendra Modi got fail. Everybody who tried to create the leaders, they got fail. That's perfectly fine. Because you cannot make a donkey to the horse. You cannot make donkey to the horse how much you are required. Yes, but every human being is a potentially divine and he has something there. You can work. So that's perfectly fine. But don't do things for the people. or their recognitions or their certificate. Do it that one if you are really happy, if you are really want to that one, and that is what your ikigai. And where your purpose is very clear, passion is very clear, it's all link. See this word of the kamna, correct? Passion, purpose, like what society wants, and that all the steps, please combine them all together. I'm in Bangalore, Malin, actually. I'm in Bangalore. So as I told, I don't want to even somebody ask me the when the Ikigai course and what is the cost and everything. As I promise, I will not even talk about a single sale in this 21 days program. But from the Monday, actually Monday onwards, I am launching a series on the YouTube. Somebody sent me 3.5 minutes of the Gita Sandesh. I know Gita from long time. But when I went to Vipassana, where Goenka used to talk, he was a person actually where, like he was a Pandit type of person, where a lot of debates and he'd read the Gita every day and everything. But then he told that one, see, really it took so much of, for him, it took around, like his age 50, 55 years to understand what is the message of the Gita itself. So now what I done, I took that Gita messages, which are the some 11, 12 messages are there, and I created a beautiful presentations on each message. So I'm just launching that series. Please watch that one if you are connected. I don't want anything from you. So I'm not going to talk any sales part into this particular call. So thanks. Be blessed. God bless all of you. I wish a great success to everybody. Please take a action because only action bring the transformation. And I'm not the persons like, please don't come back to me if you are expecting to buttering to you and then tell you are very great, you are very great, you are very great. And then I'm not that type of person. So please don't come to me. I'm not telling you come to me, but I'm telling you don't come to me. Very clear. I'm very clear about my vision and mission and everything. And I want only the people who are really, really that level. That level. I don't bother. I'll give you an example of one person yesterday. I'll not take the name. Maybe he's in the call also. See, it is his own authenticity and genuineness. See, when he wanted to do my Ikigai 2.0 program, he had some financial crisis. He told me that one, sir, I cannot pay now this time. I can pay you whatever is required. Remaining free will, I'll pay you in the future. I told you absolutely fine. And I forgot, I not even put him in account entry because I was happy with his commitment. I deleted everything. But yesterday, without asking, I don't know from where, but he paid the remaining fee. And I tell you that is called the authenticity. That is called the honesty. This is miss. Like a people even not ready to pay you after asking. Forget about without asking. This is something very beautiful part. So I am really happy because I am able to touch that person and he got so much of value. He come back afterwards. But anyway, so thank you very much. Good day to all of you. God bless you all. And please take action. Nothing else will be changed to you. Please clear it down. I have very much clarity about the vision, missions, and everything. Please work in that 12 areas of your life. You will get that one. Mahesh, please keep on working. I seen a person in my program who was, like a left his job. He started the training from last 15 years. He don't have the clarity. He came to Ikigai first program what I done in the January, and his life is changed. His life is changed completely 360-degree. His age is around 58, 60 now. You can understand. See, that's what is a change. That's what is a transformation is happen. So please work on that one. It's not like that you have to do my Ikigai program only. No, this is the purpose. Please sit back, relax, and see where you go to the flow state. What you made for. What God want you to do in this earth. What is your journey? What for you made exactly, and this will be changed. See, I don't know, but I am actually Marathi. So yesterday I decided, I done so much of work in last 2 weeks. I stopped my coaching system for some time, and last 2 weeks I was doing so much of work, and I'm completed so many things because complete detachment. And I was working with the people who are committed. And yesterday I watched a movie called as the Pravas, a beautiful new movie come on the this Prime, and I was watched. And it is a story of the persons who had the kidney issue and needs to dialysis. And then in his age actually he never understand what is his life and everything, what is the purpose. And he was actually a dream of become an actor also, and he never understand all these things. Whole life goes, he talks here everything and going to doctor every alternate days and all this issue. And his wife is actually supposed to get ambulance. And that moment actually when he get a dream actually, how many other people is also having the same problem. And then he convert his own car to the ambulance, and even in this condition he start actually driving that, this one, and helping the people. And in that particular journey so many beautiful stories come up. When I seen the IMDb rating to that movie, I was not able to control. With my all these things, I kept everything apart, and I watched that movie yesterday with 100% complete dedication. And I tell you, this is one of the best movie I have watched because it's exactly aligning with the vision, mission, purpose, and that's what the movie. So he actually cover all the 12 areas of the life. I was just seeing there was a tears in my eyes in lot of places in that movie. And there's what it till that one key. I wasted 45 years of my life just for the struggle of the race or this race, which is not even made for me. Come from the small village and then, like making break it down. One, my own question, how exactly I get rid of distraction? Problem is that I know that's my issue, but still I'm stuck to it because of the priority. Because of the priority. Nothing else. See, when your vision and mission is clear, your priority is clear, nobody else in this world can actually disturb that one. Yes, Swapna, please watch that movie. It's a beautiful movie. If you are really, really working on your priorities, you really want to know what you made for this one. See, God sent everybody with some type of, purpose in this earth. It is your duty to find out that one. But what exactly happened? 99% people in this world are actually get engaged into the R Nidra Bhay Maithun. So it is nothing but the food, fear, sleep, sex, and all these things means what you call that one. These are the three needs, correct? See, these are the three needs. That's what Swami Vivekananda told. Nobody can do this meditation in the empty stomach, and that's what is the message. So that was is the message. So please understand the message. This is what I given you extra today, Sunday, as a gift to all of you. And I know even you start searching your journey, starting finding out your what is you made for. I'm not talking about the hobby. Hobby is fine if somebody has the hobby of the painting, but if you cannot make a profession, then that is not a purpose. That is a hobby that gives you the satisfaction to your soul. That is absolutely fine. And you should have used some time for that one. It's called a recreational activity. That is the one part in the 12 areas of life. And please remember that all the 12 areas of lives are very important. I used to miss spirituality, and even in whole life you never understand what is real spirituality. We live the dummy lives, we live the life of the lies, we live the lives of the all the judgments, we live the life of the all the nonsense, and then we talk, oh, spirituality is the best. But what is the spirituality exactly? Spirituality is nothing but living in each and every moment without any expectation. That is a spirituality finish. But when you will believe each and every moment, see now I'm in exactly in this moment. I had a call with actually a girl from the Canada now, so I have to close this one. So let's me have the like a coaching call with her. So thank you very much. It will be my inauthenticity if I extend this session now. So be blessed. Thank you very much. God bless you all. See you all. Thank you very much.